Good morning, everyone. My name is Krishna Kumar. I am in IT manufacturing. The optimization process parameters for multi-material ceramic metal composite usually demands months of trial and error. The static chart models often hallucinate raw numbers or fail to adapt the specialized material profiles. To solve this, I built a AM Research Copilot, which is IT manufacturing optimization for ceramic with metal additives. This application leverages the Google Agent Development Kit (ODK) to coordinate the sequence of specialized agents communicating through the shared dynamics. We can run this. For the design of Zigron and Underground, the improved fractures of us. And see when I click run analysis, first is running the multi-agent graph workflow model nodes. So you can see this start this six process will be happen, and the ground checks material data stories and the planning are active. So you can see this running this here. Let's wait, take a bit moment. The active 5 quota model is working now. This is used to the Google search and use the Gemini 2.5 plus model. If the token is quota is reached, it caught the 429 resource exhausted, activating local fallback in mechanical. So you can see when we run it, you can see it Streamlit pipeline, Streamlit run app.py. You can see the workflow is completed successfully. The design of workflows is improved practice toughness. You can execute summary, the baseline properties, recommended DLP parameters. So you can see DLP means digital light processing, the required center temperature profile, these things, directive strategies for improved fracture toughness. You can see this for different material. And we use the research gap analysis, the thermal processing window conflicts. So you can see the grain growth and the definition in the zirconia and observation carbon diaphragms for like graphene CMTs. So mainly the design of experiment matrices are also given. So you can see the layer thickness 20, we want to simulate the 1450 temperature degrees Celsius for the I2 type line of the zirconium baseline. So you can see the weightage of the aluminum oxide. You can see the 36 design of it, and lastly it's give the conclusion. And these are I I already posted this in my GitHub repository in the AM Research Copilot. So you can see the execute all the readme.md file. So you can see the insights, everything you can see for the for the God real for the God real for the God real information. So you can see what is chocolate. As you can see when I get the run analysis, it's already in the research workload pipeline. Let's wait for good moment. So you can see workload is completed manufacturing research report south of domain. So you can see what is chocolate is what it failed. You can see it's failed. The summary is good ceramics and metallic materials application execution faulted by God real. So you can see all this. This is my app IT manufacturing for optimization of ceramic with metal items. And thank you.